It is a rare, sort of warm, sunny day here, and so I'm going to do something outside. I picked up this TCEK SwivelCore 180 folding camp chair. It is, as you can see, quite compact in this box here. Let's get it open and see what's inside. Okay, there's a nice carry bag. I can see some instructions down at the bottom. Let's see if those are required or not. It's tied up. There's a shoulder strap. Very handy. Okay, so that's the chair. It's got some webbing holding it closed. Let's see. Okay, there's a little foam packing, and then the arms extend here. Click. Got one more click. One more click. Find your click. There we go. There we go. Okay. And then there's a strap that holds the legs. Okay, the legs is spring loaded. It is height adjustable. There's a screw down here that I think adjusts the height and or the spring tension. But let's give it a seat. It certainly looks like some sort of oblong table, but let's see here. It's quite comfortable, and look, it swivels. I can go 50% that way, 50% this way, and it has a spring that returns it. And I'm on a bit of a slope here. There is, I noticed, oh yeah, there's a cup holder, and that's the strap. I like it. This is comfortable, and it's 5 pounds. So you could put this, I could put it on attach it to the bunk roll strap on my Blue Eddy backpack. That is handy. I like it. Let's see what it takes to put it back together. So, oh, there's little loops here for something. Push these little spring tab buttons in. Just pops back down. Fold the legs up. Put my little strap around. Sort of self-stows like an unpowered umbrella. And check that out. Should we put it back in the bag? Let's put it back in the bag. There's a hang loop as well as the shoulder strap, which is not at all adjusted for me, so let's let a little bit out. But there you go. I could set up here by the creek. Look at that. Isn't this beautiful? And it swivels. I can look. TCEK portable folding camp chair. It's quite comfortable. Thanks for watching.